Alright guys, it's time for the moment of truth. I've got this thing all back together, except for that stripped out water gauge deal. And basically what I did is I filled the engine up with water and threw that until that point, until it started gushing out of there. So the engine itself does have water in the water jacket, and I'm not planning on running it very long, and so assuming it runs. And so that shouldn't be a problem with overheating or nothing. But we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot here and see what happens. I've got gas in it and oil back in it and everything. And so we're gonna see if we can't get her firing up. All right guys, let's cross our fingers. I'm gonna get familiar with where the stop button is on the Magneto here just in case I have to shut this thing down in a hurry. I'm hoping nothing like that's gonna be a problem, but you just never know when you're dealing with something like this. So, here goes nothing. Well, I'd say that was a pretty good sign. I'm not sure why it didn't stay running. The fact that it started and ran means that everything is right as far as the timing goes. Once we get her going, it may need a little bit of an adjustment, but yeah, we'll see if we can get her going again. I'm hoping I can get it running long enough here to see if that oil pressure is coming up. Since that was the whole problem we were having before. I'm going to try a little something different here. Find out if she's actually flooded. There she is. Oil pressure is looking great, which is good. That means our problem is fixed. She's running like a champ. It must just not have been getting the fuel it needed to start. stop button works here. Like a charm. Like a charm. All right, guys, we're gonna call that a success. That means I can start putting the hood and everything back on permanently. And all we'll have to do is put that water temp gauge deal in, and she'll be ready to rock. So great news. I was really hoping that this was the way this was gonna go after the way it's gone in the past. It's nice to have a good day for once. So we'll actually, I think I'm gonna pick up some, well, maybe not. I was gonna put some special bolts in some spots, some nicer looking ones, but for now I think I'll just put it back together with what I have, and then I don't know, sometime in the next couple of years I plan on redoing this thing from the ground up again. I mean, aside from the motor work, obviously, but when I redo it, when I repaint it and everything, then we'll put nice bolts and everything. So, but I'll get her put back together here, guys, and then I'll show you a quick little video of what it looks like when it's all back together. And the one other part we were waiting on, I guess, is the bushing for up here in the steering shaft. That shaft is all wonky, and so we're gonna get a bearing for that. But I'll put her back together here, and that'll be that. All right, YouTube, that's as far as she's gonna go back together for now. I put the steering wheel back on, but didn't tighten it because I'll have to take that back off. And I even put the bolts in here because that'll have to come back off for that gauge. But we got the breather bolted down now, and I'm in the process of cleaning my air filter. And then I decided that I am gonna pick up some different bolts. I might as well. And so I'll get some stainless ones, and they'll look a lot nicer than just the hex head bolts sticking out. But she's buttoned up for now, and if I had to move her or anything like that, I probably could, but yeah. So if you guys have any questions about this tractor at all, go ahead and post them in the comments, and I will put a link on the video here to the original picture slideshow. I wasn't into the video thing back when I started this tractor, but I do have a picture slideshow of working on this tractor, and so I'll put the link for that in this video as well. And also put that down in the description. But if you guys want to check that out too, go ahead. And really the only thing I'd like to do is when I repaint it again, I'd like to do some body work with it because there's some dents and stuff like that that need to get pounded out. And I'd like to get the original gas tank back in it. So those are the two things on my to-do list still. But for now, she's as good as she's going to be. We'll get her up to where we're going to be living, and get her cleaned up and stuff like that, and do some touch-up painting before the wedding so that she looks halfway decent, and hopefully it runs good and doesn't die when we're putzing around town. It's not a very big town, so, and we're going to take it from the church to the bar, which is like 2 blocks, and so we'll probably have them drive around town a little bit. We'll have a cooler of beer on there, and we'll probably drive around town a little bit and then go to the bar. But yeah, hopefully we got enough gas, and hopefully she runs good enough. But that's about all I got. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.